Okay, folks, today I'm here in Youngsville at a neighbor's house, and he has this beautiful, stunning, and I'm not exaggerating, this car is gorgeous. This is a 64 Pontiac Grand Prix, 389 V8 original engine, 4-barrel. It has a Slim Jim automatic transmission, and we're gonna walk around this beautiful car. He restored this car himself, and he did an outstanding job with it, as you can see. And man, look at this thing. I have walked this car really nice. It's straight. It is really a straight car. Check out those wheels. Are those wheels not perfect for this car? I mean, look at this thing. We move on down the side here. Yeah, look at the inside of it. Ain't that something right there? Oh man, that is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. This is the original color, but it's a modern version of it, the clear coat, the two-stage clear coat they use nowadays. And he said it was Yorktown blue, and the interior is dark blue. It is also the original color. And check out this light right here on this trunk lid. It retracts, it rolls back up, and it fastens right up under there. Look at the detail in this trunk. Is that not beautiful? Absolutely beautiful. Classic look of these Pontiac taillights. Is that not Pontiac right there or what? That is beautiful. You know you're behind a Pontiac when you see this. Look at this chrome on this bumper. My goodness. Finish panel looks very nice. You know that's got to be a hard item to find. And now check out down the side of this beauty. Ain't it straight? Look at that. She is really nice. Look at the chrome around the back glass. Oh, check this out. Pontiac Grand Prix. Beautiful, beautiful car. Right here in town. I saw this car at a car show a couple years ago. And I said, man, this is one beautiful machine. Notice the badge says GP with the checkered flag. Look at the wheel lip trim, how beautiful that is. And those beautiful Krager 5-spoke wheels. All right, folks, enjoy. Maybe we'll get to come back and visit this car again one day. It is really pretty. All right, later.